This is a repair attempt for Dylan Gargone. You can see we've got shingle missing right here as well as right here. We're going to attempt to repair. We've also got this shingle that's creased. So we're just going to try to repair this shingle here. We've got a shingle that's very similar. This shingle, notice the exposure is kind of odd. It is a 5 5/8 exposure. I don't think they manufacture this shingle anymore. I'm not sure who the manufacturer is, but we're still going to attempt to repair this particular shingle. Where's that shingle at, Jess? Do you know? Right there. Oh, I don't see it. Nail pull through. Chase, can you get this on camera?
Yeah.
See right there?
Yeah.
Nail pull through. Nail pull through. So much fun. That's it. Yep. Grab the new shingle. All right, new shingle on. Just threw that. All right. See, it doesn't even. It's just a traditional 3-tab, but it's a completely different size. See?
It is a.
Look at the difference. Yeah, this is actually a Tamco.
Tamco.
Yeah, completely different size shingle. I'm pretty sure it's discontinued. It's bigger than this. This is a Tamco shingle as well, but it's a completely different size. See the size difference, the length difference at least. Oh, there it is. Thank you. Oh man, we're gonna use new nails. We always use new nails, right?
Right.
Now, as you can see, this is our new shingle. Look at that. Right there. And we were very gentle. We used a shingle bar very gently, just far enough to lift this one up so we could get the new one out, or the old one out and the new one in. So I would say this failed a repair attempt.